thousands of parents are starting to realize the profound impact of investing in their children learning how to code.
And I've been an executive in multiple tech companies around the world. One of the things that is very, very clear about the future of work is the skills that our children are going to need are going to be very different to the skills we grew up with. We kind of talked a little bit about the fact that coding is the new language, and regardless of what job they're in any of these new emerging technology companies, they're going to need coding as a skill.
I enjoyed coding classes with RIVA because it was fun and we did lots of animations.
I like coding at RIVA Learning because the teachers are very kind and the classes are just the right size.
Our students constantly build apps for games and animations, but they do a lot more. Recently, a group of students developed a COVID dashboard that downloads live data from the internet and shows it on a graph. What was really cool is that they were able to predict the second wave lockdown in the UK 2 weeks before the government actually announced it. Really cool, I thought.
I want to build a social media platform that allows people to communicate without having this negative aspect of cyberbullying.
I think my next project will be creating a code to choose the winning lottery numbers. Special request from my dad.